There are many ways to improve yourself, and the best approach will depend on your specific goals and circumstances. Here are some general strategies that can help you improve yourself. Set goals. Start by identifying what you want to achieve and setting specific, measurable goals to help you get there. Learn new things. Challenge yourself to learn new skills or knowledge, whether through formal education, reading, or hands-on experience. Practice self-reflection. Take time to reflect on your thoughts, feelings, and behaviors, and identify areas where you can improve. Adopt a growth mindset. Embrace the idea that you can always improve and develop your abilities, and focus on progress rather than perfection. Take care of your physical health. Exercise regularly, eat a healthy diet, get enough sleep, and manage stress to improve your overall well-being. Develop positive habits. Adopt daily habits that promote self-improvement, such as meditation, journaling, or reading. Seek feedback. Ask for feedback from others, and be open to constructive criticism that can help you identify areas for improvement. Remember, self-improvement is a journey, and it takes time and effort to see results. Be patient and persistent, and keep working towards your goals.